Let's look at this question. If for any natural number n, f of n x is equal to f of n times, where fx is equal to 5 plus 3x, for any real x, then f of 10 is equal to, right? So we are given a nested function, and its definition is given as that we have fx as f plus 3x, right? So let's just try to make these nested functions, right? So next thing is that f2 of x would be f of, if I put the input in this function, the function itself, so I get f of x, right? And it would be equal to 5 plus 3 times f of x, and f of x is 5 plus 3x. So let's find the value of f2 of x. It would be 5 plus 3 into 5 plus 3 square into x. If I write f3 of x, I would write f of x, right? So it would be 5 because I need to have f2 of x as the input in the given function. So f plus 3 times, I need to give this function as the input. So it would be 5 plus 3 into 5 plus 3 square x. I have not added these two terms because I want to find the pattern that is hidden in these type of questions, right? I want to know the pattern, right? That is why I am keeping these terms separate, right? So it become 5 plus 3 into 5 plus 3 square into 5 plus 3 cube into x. Now I can generalize the f and x, right? So if I take the value of f and x, that means I need to put input f of n minus 1 x into function x. So what I would see is that it is starting with a 3 raised to the power 3. Can you see for this uh, third term, or let's say f3 of x, I have this highest power of 3 is 3. Then I have the 3 square, then I have 3 raised to the power 1, then I have 3 raised to the power 0. So can you see the generalized form of this function would be f n x plus 3n minus 1 into 5, because after x every term has this 5, plus 3n minus 2 into 5 plus 3n minus 3 into 5, and so on till 3 raised to the power 0 into 5, right? 3 raised to the power 0 into 5. So this is the definition of f of n of x. Now I can easily put the value of x as 10 and n as 10. So f10 of x, f10 of 10 would be equal to 3 raised to the power 10 into 10, plus this would be 3 raised to the power 9 into 5 plus 3 raised to the power 8 into 5 plus 3 raised to the power 7 into 5, and up till 3 raised to the power 0 into 5. Now I can take this 5 common and I can write this as 5 times the 3 raised to the power 0 plus 3 raised to the power 1, 3 raised to the power 2, and I need this sum up till 3 raised to the power 9. Can you see it's a GP? It's a geometric progression. And how do we find the sum of a geometric progression? It would be equal to 5 into, so it would be a plus, a means first term, that is 1, a into common ratio, that is 3 raised to the power n, number of terms are 10 because it is starting from 0 and goes till 9, so number of terms are 10, minus 1 upon 3 plus 1, that is r minus 1, and that is equal to 2. So we have this sum. So I can write it as 3 raised to the power 10 into 10 plus 3 raised to the power 10 into 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Correct? Now I can take 3 raised to the power 10 common. Now I can take 3 raised to the power 10 common, and I can write it as 25 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Let's find the value of 3 raised to the power 10 separately. So we need to find 3 raised to the power 10. I can easily find 9 raised to the power 5 to whole square. And for that, in fact, I can yes, 9 raised to the power 4 and not whole square. 9 raised to the power 5 would be 10 raised to the power 10. 3 raised to the power 10. And 9 raised to the power 5, I can find it as n cube, 9 cube into 9 square. So I know 9 cube is 729 and it is 81. I can easily find this value. It would be 927, then 0, 72, 16, 7, 23, 2, 56 into 58. So I have 94095. This is the value of 3 raised to the power 10. Correct? I need to multiply it with 25. So let's just multiply it with 25. 225. So this is 5. 22 is the power 122. So it would be 2. Carry is 1. 225 and 1, 226. So we have 22 as the carry. 125 plus 20 is 145 and 147. This is the required value. Then if I take the LCM, I need to subtract 5 from this. If I subtract 5 from this, I'm left with 0, 226, 741. So this would be equal to 1476220, and I need to divide it by 2. So I'm left with 738,110. And that is exactly the option number A.